How to turn off bloom effect in Wuthering Waves. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we will be learning how you can easily turn off the blooming effect in the Wuthering Waves game. So here's how you do it. First of all, open your Wuthering Waves application on your device. Once you're inside the main homepage or inside this game menu, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner from the home screen. Now from the terminal page, go to the bottom right corner and tap the gear icon. On the left hand side, tap on this image kind of an icon, and from here you can go ahead and scroll down and look for the bloom option. Simply toggle on the button right next to bloom and make sure that the on option is selected. Whenever the bloom effect is enabled, this causes bright lights to glow for atmospheric lighting. You can now get back to your game section and you'll be able to see the bloom effect enabled. You can always turn it off by repeating the step and selecting off from the menu, and there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.